Hi everyone, it is Movement Monday with Christine, and today we are going to go over the one main exercise to do if you have a sore back. Okay, so if your back is hurting you and you need an exercise to help strengthen those muscles along your spine and help you reduce your pain or get rid of it forever, then this is the one exercise that you're going to want to know. Okay, so first of all, we're going to get onto our hands and knees. Okay, so this exercise is referred to bird dog. Okay, so we're on our hands and knees. You want to make sure your knees are directly underneath your hips. Your hands are directly underneath your shoulders. Okay, engage your core, pull your belly button up towards your spine. And if you're in such pain that this is all you can do, then start with this. Just holding it here. But when you're ready, you're going to lift one arm. Okay, you're going to bring it up about ear level. Okay, keeping the rest of your body still. So I'm going to use this arm up, ear level, arm straight out. And again, if this is all you can do, just stay here. Then you're going to take the opposite leg straight out. And when you're ready, you're going to lift it. Now you're going to want to make sure you don't lift it so high you arch your back. Keep your back flat. Lift the arm as high as you can. Hold this side for about 5 seconds. Bring your hands and knees back down to where they belong, directly underneath your hips and your shoulders. And then you're going to be ready the other side. Lift your arm up, leg straight out, lift it up, hold for about 5 seconds. And then bring it back down. And with that, keep alternating side to side, 5 seconds apiece, until you and your back have had enough. I'm going to say 3 or 4 times on each side. As you get stronger, you can change it from 5 seconds and work your way up to 10 seconds. I hope this helps.